Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a quick look at the iMovie program and how can you add a blur effect to a part of your video. So if you want to cover up a face, if you want to cover up some maybe personal information, this is one way that you could do it. Right, so the first thing you want to do is find the part of the video that you actually want to blur out. So I'm going to just put it on my timeline here. I've clicked on my timeline. And I think I want to blur out some of this font here just to show you how this is done. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a screenshot, a very tiny picture of part of this screen, part of the area that you want to blur out. So I'm on a Mac. I'm going to use my Alt-Shift-4 key. And you can see now I've got my little cursor up here. And I'm going to take a very small snapshot. And it's going to put it on my desktop, and you can see how pixelated it is because I just took a tiny, tiny picture of that part of the desktop. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is take that desktop image and I'm going to drag it over to my timeline, my video, and I'm going to drop it there. And now you can see we have this blurred image. So it's moving right now. So that's the first thing we want to do is change that. So I'm going to click on, make sure there's yellow outlining that part of your video, and I'm going to click this crop tool and say fit. Okay, so we don't want any effects, we just want to fit it. Then we're going to click the video overlay setting, and instead of a cutaway, we are going to do picture in picture. So now you can see I have this that I can move around the screen. And I can place it over the part that I want to blur out. Okay? So now that that is blurred out, we can go back into this part of the video. We want to drag these over because these little circles at the top, we don't want to gradually fade in. We want it fading immediately. So let's make those 0. So it's just going to show up immediately. And we can make this clip longer by highlighting it and dragging it over. So that entire part of the video is going to have the blurred effect on it. Okay, so you go from here, scroll along, and then the blurred effect will start as soon as the private part of your screen shows up. Alright, so that's a very quick and easy way of doing it. There are other ways. You could actually go online. There's a lot of images on there that are pre-blurred for you. But if you take the part of the screen that you are going to be blurring out, you get the same sort of colors, so it matches a little bit better. And again, that is just one simple way that you can put the blur feature over, say, somebody's face or some text in your iMovie. So I hope you enjoyed that quick tip. Please let me know with some feedback, or if there's a video you would like to see, drop me a line, savvytechgirl@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys.